My name is Brian Bonestell. My role at Excelsior Wood Products is shop manager and salesperson. I always say I'm a man of many hats. My day-to-day is making sure that all the guys have something to do and they're being productive and they know what they're doing, and working with customers that come into the showroom as far as selling them stuff and making sure that we can fulfill their needs. So one exciting project that we worked on was a few years back. We did a reclaimed e-pay boardwalk for the town of Woodstock, and it was something like 300 feet long. So my involvement in the project back then, at that time with Excelsior Wood Products, I was actually doing milling. So I processed a lot of the lumber and actually put this giant boardwalk together. I think what makes Excelsior Wood Products stand out compared to other wood manufacturers is we try and keep it a very family-oriented business. All the guys are very friendly and very close to each other, and it's just a very pleasant place to work.